So walking towards the pedestrian crossing at the junction of Auburn Avenue and Castleknock Road. Blister tactile underfoot. There's the pedestrian crossing push button unit, and you can hear the locator beacon. So I press the button. There's a pulse arrow here, I can feel it vibrating and I hear the audible sound. You can hear the locator beacon above the noise of the background traffic, and I can feel the vibration on the pulse arrow. It could take up to 2 minutes for this traffic light to change in a cycle. Safe to cross. Now. Yep, on the opposite side now, safe and sound.